Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. Today I'm going to show you how I make my twisted bread. I have all my ingredients right here so you can see what I use, what butter I use, what flour I use, because it's very important the butter that you use. I have 4.5 cups of flour in the bowl. I add a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar to it. And then I add 1¼ tablespoon of instant yeast. I mix all the dry ingredients together. In this bowl I have 1 cup of warm milk and 2 cups of warm water. I add an egg to the mixture. Here I wanted to use the cup for the oil, but then my daughter Kira put flour in it. She loves to help me. So I have a 1/3 cup of oil. A 1/3 cup of shortening. I use Crisco, but you can use Tenderflake as well. Here I have almost 1 tablespoon of vinegar. For the butter, I use just over 1/2 cup of soft butter. Don't melt the butter, just let it sit room temperature, and I always use salted butter. And like I mentioned before, it's very important what kind of butter you use. I used to always buy the no-name butter, but the dough wouldn't turn out as good. It got very sticky, and when I changed my butter, I never had that problem anymore. Now I mix all the ingredients together. Here I add 1 cup of flour to it. And then I add another cup of flour. Now I will knead the dough and add 1 more cup of flour to it. So altogether I use 7.5 cups of flour for this dough. Now the dough is ready. You don't need any flour, it's not sticky at all, it works perfectly to transfer to another bowl, and I cover it with a plastic bag. This is the best twisted bread recipe I have tried so far. I had many other recipes that I tried, but they didn't turn out as good. Now I cut the dough into little pieces and roll them, as you can see, and then once I'm done rolling them, I will cover it with the bag and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until I will twist them. I will keep the dough under the bag so the dough doesn't dry out. I just uncover that part of the dough that I'm rolling at that moment. Once I'm done twisting them, I will put them in a baking sheet and cover them with a plastic bag and let them sit for an hour. That's right. We have 8. Another one. Let's make 10.
2, 4.
There you go. Now I have 10.
5.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3. You missed the 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And the last one?
10.
Yay! Now these twisted bread are ready to be baked. I preheated the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and I will let them bake for about an hour. Once they are turning nice and brown, they won't be crunchy yet. So I turn the heat down to 310 degrees Fahrenheit and then I will let them bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and crunchy. I took them out of the oven and they are ready to be served. They have this beautiful brown color and the butter flavor. I love to serve them with butter or jam, whatever you would like. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any friends that you think would like this video, you can share it with them as well. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!